Supermarket run. Cookies. Baking cookies.
Picture ba?
Video. Ano nga? Ang sabi mo? Bakit?
Corny na yun.
Wag daw natin bilhin yung 78. Yung 45 daw.
Yan ba yung apelyido ni Tita Baby? Marquis. Di mo na gets?
Tawa. Natawa na ba ako? With milk.
3 desserts. Dami naman natin gagawin. Ready. Date with this. Busog. Ang aming taga-ubos. Sogbo na ba? Sogbo. Ito hindi pa. Sogbo na daw, pero ito nag-milkshake. Ang galing.
Such ng breath.
Hindi panty. Sarap mong ano. Masarap ba? Milkshakes. Always eating when we're together.
Hindi ko gagawin.
Ginawang beer.
Inom.
Nakigaya na po kami. Nakigaya na po kami sa aming idol. Someone good luck. May nalak. Ito lang bag talaga.
Pacheck ko ng bag niya.
You can see anything though.
Pacheck ko ng bag niya, sir.
Siga ako sa akin.
Naglalakad kami, may paano pa siya. Time check, and we're just starting to bake. What are we going to bake?
Bake.
Cup of sugar. Half cup.
Kaya ka na. Uy, sabihan mo ako.
Ikaw. You're so excited.
Should I mix this? Update. Got the chocolate chip cookie dough here. Oreo truffles.
Nice. Okay, it's a little golden brown.
Looks fine. Looks good. Time check. Milk.
Walang lasa
Cookies.
ha. yung 45, may lasa.
Magkano ba yun?
45 na naman.
45.
Excited much. Is it good? Oreo truffles.
Nobody wanna see us together. Nobody, no matter, no. Okay. Samahan natin dito. Nasaan yung Zoom? Zoom ko.
Are you ready for our pictorial?
No.
Let's go.
I'm ready. We're ready.
Finding locations. Where do you want to go?
Update. Ta-da!
Oh no, my camera is dying.
Charan.
But we're still looking for other locations. Ah, so nice. So quiet. Still trying to find some good locations and the lighting is not cooperating. Oh my gosh, it's nice. You're so pretty. So umalis na si Kuya. And we're still here taking pictures. Time check.
It's 2:30.
And the sun is now here with us. Anong sabi mo sa akin kanina? Ay siya, hindi na kita crush. Kylie, ikaw. Lika, ang sabi mo sa akin kanina?
Sexy ka. Ang ganda mo.